Hello. Morning. How are you? Good morning, chat. Oh, yeah, I'm a little bit early today. Good morning, Mohammed Gold. Good morning, Miss K. Peace now. Chrissy. Hand Day Che. 5 handles. Kai Yun. Landscape, good morning. Daniel Trader. Robin Huang. Good morning. Yeah, so because I saw like the TSMC earning just released, I think I feel like around 5 to 10 minutes ago. So I was like, let's just start the stream. Good morning, Bangkok Skater, Hakim Chase Marco, Dear Warmis, Janice. Good morning. Oh, today I'm gonna trade Aqua Futures account again. Today is very essential because today we will know if I'm gonna blow up or not. These three foreign accounts because I copy traded it. You have to make some coffee. Yes, I'm drinking a can of Monster too, energy drinks, and some electrolyte. Good morning. So this is the account. Wait, yeah. So I went from 7,800 to 4,200. This is massive. On yesterday, I took 4 trades. Oh, only 4 trades. I thought I over trading. 4 trades isn't like a lot. So today, in order to make it back to payout, which is 7,600 and 5 valid trading days, and also within the 40% consistency rule, because this account from Aqua Futures I'm trading is standard. So they just launched a new account. It's called, what is that? Flex. I don't know why they love Flex, but to be honest, I gotta be honest, I saw the like details. It's not very flexible, to be honest. Like, I mean, the name is called Flex, but I don't think it's very good. But let's take a look. So for 50k, 80 bucks, 2 contracts. What kind of shit is that, Mori? 2 contracts for 50k account. Profit target 2,500. Wow, this is shit. 1,500 Jordan. Well, I wouldn't trade this one. I just gonna be honest. I wouldn't choose this one. Even when I'm trading 50k last year, I wouldn't chose something like that. No, this is not a flexible account. Come on, what is that? Aqua Futures. So you just what? I thought you launched something good. No, okay, we just skip it. We go back to standard. No, don't use the flex account. It's not flexible at all. Okay, just use the 50k. Crazy. You know, I don't even want to study the rules. I was seeing those shit requirements. Yeah, we just stick with standard. So yesterday anyone took some short position because we got a huge drop for like the last session, right? You know, I only trade like RTH cap and 930 open, right? So after it, I just close the chat and do whatever I want. And I install Financial Juice app to receive some alert from any specific news. And those alerts keep on appearing, like Trump just speaking non-stop. I got at least 6 alert after I turn off the charts. Crazy. And 3 of them are Trump's, and another 2 is like White House things. So today, you know, if we take a look on the daily time frame, seriously, this is shit. We shouldn't even trade this. Like in lower time frame, you definitely won't trade this. Like we call it like high resistance decree one or flag or whatever you like. Like when you switch to lower time frame, if you see something like that, you won't even try to take a setup, no matter it's long or short, right? But this is the daily time frame that we got on Anki right now. You know, these three highs that touching the and what midpoint. Yesterday London session, I was like trying to target these two, which is obviously wrong, and we got huge drop yesterday Lewis session. Intraday that is good volatility. Yeah, exactly. So yesterday we got 830 PPI, so I trade to the data low. I mean, it's not on live stream, so it's kind of high inside, but yeah, it's the same strategy. I didn't change it. So this is the data low, 830, and this is our RTH gap in yellow, right? So just trade to the data low and then close. So I didn't catch any drop after it, nothing. So it's probably like, I don't know, 10%, probably not even 10, probably 5% of the bearish move. You know, this is like this job is literally caused by the TSMC earnings. Also, if you say in price action, it would be like turtle soup with Asia high sweep. Shorts here. Oh, it's 2 a.m. So I have a rule for myself that I can't take any trade before 2 a.m. So right now we can. We just got UK GDP release. Okay. So this is the news for UK GDP. Today I need to be more patient, I guess. Alright. Is it hot there? It's very hot. Right now it's 38 degrees Celsius here. I didn't turn on the aircon because like because my health sucks. I have no idea why my health sucks. Like, so I always said I'm gonna die very soon. You know, if I turn on the aircon, I will get sick. I don't understand why though. So most of the time I just turn it off. Is this not 2022 model? I don't know. Because we get relatively low here. We got a huge drop. MSS here. We chase back to the CB, but we are also inside a 1 hour average. So it can be a high time, like a 1 hour time frame, rejecting price up. So I just want to wait for a bit first. No, I don't do Pilates. Maybe I should, right? Because I heard that after you do Pilates, you will be a little bit taller than before. I think most of the girls said that. Like 1 to 2 cm, which I need 5 more centimeters for my height, please. I'll pray for it every day. Oh really? So it's true. Okay, now I'll try it. I need it. I'm short. Don't ask me about the height. I'm so short. Let me take a look on ES first. Yes, just strip the daily high. We are in premium. We got some sell side here. Just wait. Didn't see anything yet. Maybe after 10 years of Pilates, you grow 3 to 5. Oh, 10 years? No way. 15 minutes? Yes. BPL here. Seriously, the candle body codes exactly inside this 1 hour average, so even though we're in premium and we got some relatively low here, I just want to make sure that I'm not being too reckless. But I want to wait for a little bit. For now, just need more. Too late. If it price don't retrace back, I can't get in. Stop loss too large. It's 40 point stop loss. I can, unless retrace, I'm not getting it. So, well, I can still put it here. I mean, as my bias, but I missed the perfect entry. So if I enter here right now, first we clear at least one minor sell side, which is not ideal. Second, stop loss too large. It's like, bro, it's like 40, 50. No. So it's too late. Can't get in. Let's see if we got any retracement back to here. You're targeting even lower? Where is that? I hesitate and then miss it. You in with 5 minutes? You're gonna get something for sure. But take part, so remember to. No entry provided, no regret. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is this? What? Wait, what is this shit? I'm so glad I didn't get in, man. I'm so glad I missed the entry. Seriously, what is this? Someone tell me. What the fuck just happened? Because like on my other screen, I was watching the 15 seconds time frame. So, you know, it's so scary on the 15 seconds time frame. What is this shit? Seriously. Hey Jay, are you alright? Because you're in 5 minutes, right? Trump? I don't know. I didn't get any alert from financial juice. What is this shit? I know it's price action, but still, I'm so glad I didn't get in. Patience, everyone. Patience. For real, what is this shit? Oh, you guys have trailing stop loss? Yes, always preserve capital. But seriously, what is that? TSM earning still in? I thought it just announced it like before the London session. Is it still ongoing, the TSM thing? I'm so glad I didn't get in. For real. For real. Any news from the Middle East? I don't know, man. I don't have any missile here. I literally just turn off the public safety alert because it just keep on telling us to find a safe place to like avoid the missiles, but I just turn it off. No idea. I didn't have the news alert on my phone, so it's either UK data or Middle East news or TSM earnings. It should be these three, I guess. Wow. Well. Then I think the 1 hour average is still valid, right? We're still within it. Cautious, everyone. Cautious. Always enter with bracket order. For real. UK data is irrelevant. Yeah, I think so too. So it's Middle East, right? Military will not allow the US to interfere. Ah. Man, I mean, I didn't expect we will witness this kind of like news manipulation candlestick in London session. Be honest, you know, it usually only happen in New York, right? I'm just measuring. I'm not like entering or what. Because right now I don't really have. I mean, it's so hard to put a stop loss here with this large PD array. I mean, this like 40 point. 40 point, man, how am I gonna set the stop loss then? No. Nope. So because right now my account balance only got like around 4,000 for my like this Aqua Futures account, so I have to make sure I have enough balance for me to take a few losing trade, because I assume I won't get it on my first trade. So I can have like around 4 to 3. We basically got the NY stream here. No, that is crazy. Not very ideal though. You know, before that, I actually want to shop, but seriously, this manipulation just, yeah, made me want to skip short. But I will just take this one. No. So this is like under the end dot new day opening gap, the stop. So yeah. What the? We actually got some barriers here on the way up. But to be honest, if price we chase here, then my whole like long ideas is invalid. So I'm fine. But I would like to kind of like, I want to reduce my risk for right now. I'm still risking too much, I feel like. I'm risking 28 points. I want to make it to 25. So yeah, I gotta wait. But yeah, I think the end dot will be my bottom line for the trade. Candy 50, yes, they are not doing 50% off anymore. So right now they are doing 30% off. So you can use Candy 30, 30 to get the 30% off. Because the 50% off is like the 4th of July special promotion. So you can use Candy 30. Don't copy my trade. And then I'm not giving financial advice. Disclaimer. Always trade with your own trade analysis. Yes, Apex is doing a special promotion too. So what is that? Let me take a look first. So $49 all in. 50K intraday trailing account. No activation fee. Oh, that's really cheap. Sorry. Day traders platform, yes, I am actually affiliated with them. So I feel like my code is still valid, but like, I tried them and it's not bad, but like, it's okay. It's okay. So just I'm not trading with them anymore. So. I like intraday. It's not like I like intraday trailing. It's like, so compared to daily loss limit, I will choose intraday. So unless you're EOD without DLL, then I will choose it. So it's, oh no, it's okay. So this one is N dot plus a bullish VI. This one is a VI plus a bullish FUG. So if these three can't hold the price, my trade idea is invalid. Then I will wait for a little bit more because I don't want to use this PD array. This one is too large. I don't want to use this one to get entry. I will need a larger stop loss for that. Wait, what is this? Seriously. Did you guys see it here? Can I call it racist? Because I feel like it's racist. Am I correct? This is obviously a racist comment, right? I didn't get it wrong. This is obviously a racist comment, right? Okay, I got stop out here. That's wild, right? So that is obviously I didn't get it wrong, right? Everyone agree. Okay. Everyone agree that's a racist comment. But this is new. Usually they ask if you have you ever eaten a dog. Cat is something new. So I may not look for long within this. I need to see more confirmation, I guess. Because if these two can't hold, that means we're not strong enough to get up here. But I don't want to short within this P area, just too large for any entry, man. Right now, let me take a look. It's negative 1,100 for the account balance right now for today. Christine, why don't you like day traders? The rules, the pair requirements, the cost, it's just not that good. And so the founders of day traders actually are former employees, former management from Apex. So they got some lawsuits with Apex, and which you can find all those legal documents online. It's public, so you can just search it. So that person, they got some lawsuit, and then they create a new platform called Day Traders. And I feel like that lawsuit is still ongoing. So if you take a look on Day Traders, you will see almost everything is very similar to Apex. Well, I didn't know about like the updates yet, but you know, the current platforms that I'm trading with is great, so I didn't see any reason to trade with them. Oh, this guy is still here. Not racist, it's Family Guy reference. I forgot to put you on timeout, right? I will put you on timeout. No worries. You think this US market is sideways? Yeah. It's definitely sideways. I mean, if we look at daily time frame, we're so sideways right now. You know, seriously, this manipulation make me want to stop every short setup. Because the original plan was taking a shot to the Asia low, but like I don't want to risk with this, so I better just wait for a bit first. Put NQ on timeout. That's fun. Do you still trade live person? Yeah, I traded yesterday for New York session. 15 minutes. 15 minutes looks so bearish right now. But that's just no entry point for my short setup. Gap is too large. I can trade with the 30 points. No, I can't. Wait, can I take a setup here? Disaster price action. Well, as long as we don't get this candlestick again, I think we will save. I mean, at least even if we get stop out, we won't get spread. This one is scary. The stop is too large because you insist on using 2 minis. Well, yeah, of course I can use 2 micros. Yeah, of course I can. If that's what you want to see. I can trade 1 micro too. But that would be meaningless. Like, so even when I lose 100 points with 2 micros, it means nothing. So do you want me to trade like that? I mean, it will be complete meaningless trades. Because 200 points or even 500 points means nothing if with 2 micros. I can trade it if that's what you want to see. Yeah, I can trade it. I mean, it's just like paper trading to me. So what do you want? You want me to paper trade here? I can do it. I can do it. What do you all do when you're on losing streaks? So I would go back to backtesting because I want to make sure is that what's the mistakes I'm making? Is that my strategy? Is that my trade management, or is that on the psychological side? Like I'm too greedy, I'm too aggressive, things like that. Because usually after a few losing streak, you will lose your confidence. So you can gain it back with backtesting. Because most of the time after backtesting, I would know nothing's wrong with the trading model. It's always like that. I didn't change anything, so the trading model is fine, trading strategy is fine, your trade analysis is fine too. So actually the problem is on the psychology side. So I'm kind of rushing in an entry without waiting for confirmation, which you all see it before. So for example, you have to wait for a failed RPG or some confirmation with liquidity sweep or AMD, and also switch to higher time frame often, which these things we should do. But when I want to wash in an entry, I would just skip all those steps. Ted no lobster. Okay, I love it. Ted no lobster. So, Bryce Holden, 4410, is recommending us to use 12 to 15 micros. So, I would say if you use more than 10 micros, you should probably just stick with mini. But if you're using less than 10 or maybe just 10, I think it's okay to stick with micros because like you can take partial with 1 mini, right? So the reason of not recommending to trade with too many micros contract is because if you calculate the commission and fees, that's huge. I mean, you're not gonna take 1 trade or 2 trade, right? If you trade micros, so you keep on trading micros, that is another huge cost for you. And also, if you really look at the chart, you will find that MNQ is always different than NQ. It can be a wick that's sweeping your previous low, right? Or NQ hitting the high but MNQ didn't, or suddenly a spread. because like the liquidity is thinner on MNQ compared to NQ. So those kind of manipulation happen very often. So this is the thing you have to bear in mind too. So if you can accept those costs, like the spreads, the manipulation, the commission and fees, so after doing the math, you think, okay, it's worth it because it's helped you to reduce the risk, so it's worth it. Then you can trade micros, right? But before trading micros, we need to understand the cost first, which for me, is not worth it. Like after doing the math, I would consider it's not worth it. With 50K trading NQ is risky. It depends on the market condition, a lot of things. Also, if it's a brand new 50K account, or you already built a buffer, if it's a brand new, and some of the 50K account right now only got 1,500 drawdown, right? That's really not enough. 2,000 for me is kind of like a minimum. So in order to know how much you risk, you have to backtest your strategy first. You have to understand, like, if I trade this session, how much risk can I use that won't kill my trades but also preserve capital enough for me to grow the account. So everyone can be different, because tight stop loss means I will lose less, but also means I will have less win rate, because sometimes I'm just not giving enough room for the trade to breathe. So after backtesting your model, see all those trade data. That's why I also sold the trade seller, because those trade data is actually what I need to adjust my trading strategy and to decide like how am I going to trade this session or the NY session. Fees of NQ is higher than MNQ? No way, it's the opposite, isn't it? I want to look for short, but I need a larger stop loss, which is too much. So I'm not gonna take that shot. Is that a troll or something? You have to go 50 NQ. I traded 50 NQ before on my personal account. You think I'm kidding? No. Of course, a lot of traders traded over 50 NQ. I saw people trading 100 NQ before too, right? So it's actually not very. I think Trader King traded before, like Lanto traded before, and what's the name? Brian also traded before. So it's not something impossible. Everyone can do it, but not now if you're a beginner. 15 minutes. Right now we're already over 15% of the range. I'm waiting for price to sweep some sell side. I'm not getting in the short. And also, yes, very close to the Asia low, which is too close. That may cause another SMT. So on NinjaTrader and TraderVate, so you can choose different plan for your commissions and fees. So one of them, a lifetime plan, there's a lifetime plan. If you bought it, then you will get the lowest commission and fees. But of course, it's only worth it if you take a lot of trades and you are planning to trade with them for a long time. I want to see like what happened on ES after ES reached low, like how price react with it. I still get $3,000 for the current account balance, so we will see if I'm gonna blow up these 3 accounts. So if I take 3 more losing trades, this account's gone. Then I can buy a few new accounts. I will stick with standard. I think the flex account looks so strict, like and it's not very cheap too. It's just okay. I think the only benefit of the flex account is they got like on-demand payout. But like seriously, they didn't even explain it very well, so I'm not so sure the on-demand, does it mean like daily? Or like how long does it take? I think they have to explain it first. Because from what I've seen is like, you can only take 50% of the profit on that account. So that means it's worse than standard. Oh, 15 minutes? What's that? You mean this one? No, I'm not trying. I don't want to try to short here. No, it's too late. Manic, you just lost your fund account because you can't take a loss. Well, I'm sorry to hear that. Like, so, but at least you like realize what kind of mistake you make, alright? So try to improve it next time, and just get in with bracket order. So you won't try to, because you get a bracket order, you will respect your stop loss. It's not like you widen the stop loss a lot or cancel the stop loss. Why is it so hard to accepting losses? Maybe you're risking more than you should? Is it? So you should only risk what you feel nothing when you take a loss. For example, like, if you lose that amount of money, you won't feel anything, any emotions, or a little bit emotions only. Then this is a good risk for you. But to be honest, I don't think the daily bias like means a lot to us. At least to me, because since I'm just scalping, I'm not even trading the daily range. Right? Even for newer session yesterday, I only trade, I don't know, like to the data low. So it's like 5 to 10% of the whole bearish move. So what the bias is just not really, it won't bother me. It's hard to accept losses because losses mean you were wrong and people are hardwired from a very young age to see being wrong as bad. Yeah, you're right. Understand what you mean. Yeah, most of them can accept the fact that we are wrong or we make mistake or being embarrassed or things like that, right? Because we got a lot of young traders these days. And I guess most of them live a good life before trading. So if you've been through enough shit, then trading isn't that bad. Like, taking a losing trade isn't that bad. I mean, we didn't die, or I didn't die for just taking a losing trade. I'm just waiting. I didn't even see a setup right now. I do wait for yes to do his thing. So you know what? When I first started trading, like prop firm trading, so it was like 2022, right? At that time, those the most famous trader in the prop firm industry is Paladin. If you ever heard of him, like it's like the son of ICT, so-called the son of ICT. So he was still in college at that time, so he's so young. So actually at that time I was like, oh, I wish I was that young when I first started trading. But then, I realized that's not a good idea. And yeah, I realized being young actually, I mean, you get a lot of time to like learn it slowly, take everything slow and get some setback and then, get better again. But it's actually better if you have more life experience before trading. Good morning, our Queen Wei is here. Any insight? We need some insight from our Queen. You think it would take a shallow? Same. Put money back? No, I didn't. I don't have any setup here. I mean, I can't get in a short here. Paolo didn't get back to college. Yes, I know. I actually I did follow his like the engineering account, right? I saw it. Yeah, it's like trash. Did you see this candlestick? We were live stream together at that time. This candlestick is crazy. It's like a Trump's candle. We have inverted it. Let me take a look. We have to wait until this candlestick closed to make sure we invert it or not. We're still like kind of within the range. I would say like we're highly likely to clear this tool, but you know, compared to yes so close. So I'm not so sure if yes close this like yes with this low first, we still keep on going lower on ankle. Today may be a boring stream. It's not, price not doing anything. I mean, it's doing something, but I missed the entry, so I can't get in any setup right now. Yeah, it's about 3 a.m. So I will wait for 3 a.m. first. This time we finally don't get the 3 a.m. curse. Since we're not in a position, we won't get the manipulation candle to hit our stop loss. Anything new happen? Let me take a look on Twitter. Did I miss anything? Oh yeah, the alpha futures have some updates, right? So right now they approve the payouts. No, they're gonna pay you the payouts they approved before, which they should, and refund all the premium plans. So whoever got affected by them should at least get some compensation. But I have no idea like how long does it take for them to process all the payouts. Well, I guess they at least fix the cash flow issues. I don't know, maybe someone new invests on them, or they got some loans. Because if not, they are not able to pay all these payouts to the traders. So they just got something solved. But I feel like their reputation hurt a lot because of these issues. And a lot of, so-called like performance comparisons website delisted them. Hi Ollie, good morning. Are you in any trade right now? Grab the liquidity from CB here, then reverse to HLO. It's possible. And I'll just wait. Patience. I mean, I don't want to blow up their accounts for nothing. I mean, obviously I can blow up, but like, I want it to blow up because like my trade idea is invalid. Like I have complete wrong bias. That's why I blow up. I'm fine with that. But I don't want to blow up because I'm just some psychological mistake. I don't want to do that. It's kind of stupid because it will make me look so dumbass. So I try to avoid that. PA's so trash at the moment, yeah. Oh, so how's the World Cup, the football match? I didn't watch it, so I have no idea. How was that? Yeah, right now we're actually around 50% of the range, of the Asia range. So there's nothing I can do. Nothing. England lose. Sorry to hear that. Oh, Kaiyun, that's a good idea. If you took 2 losses and you want to calm down, yeah, it's a good idea. You can use the manual lockout feature on Shadeway. Do you mostly eat Dubai food over there? Be honest though, I only eat those meal prep, so it's trash. So I'm literally eating trash every day. I mean, it's healthy trash food. You know what I mean? It's like it's not tasty, it's not good, it's healthy. So this is the 3 a.m. candlestick right now. Oh, yes. Coming to the low. 3 a.m. curse. I'm not in any position. At least that's the only good thing. Okay, so close, so close. I don't know if I can take any WJ today, to be honest. I'm not so sure. I have no bias for it, for the current session. No bias at all. Oh, didn't hit it yet. Still, I think 1 point away. There is no reason for price to go up. But like, I'm here to look for a trade, not look for a bias, you know? I mean, I know, yes, it's targeting the Asia low, but how am I going to trade it? You have to have a plan for it. Man, so boring. I'm literally just scrolling my phone right now. It's I got nothing to do. Chat, I got nothing to do with the chat right now. So I just created a poll. I kind of just curious, wondering like, are you guys a full-time trader or actually trading with a full-time job, or like a college student just, but put some time on trading? Well, first, I'm not recommending anyone to quit their job to trade as a full-time trader until you think you're ready. Which I know there's no such thing as ready, but just because like it's kind of your life, so I don't want to make that decision for you. But seriously, if I'm in a short position, it will suck too, man. Like, so we're just consolidating here and just not go to the low. Oh, so around 50% of you a full-time trader, 40% still working with a full-time job, 20% a student. Why would I get so many students here? That's weird. That's weird. You think I should take the shot? Well, you don't need to type in caps. First thing first. Second, I don't want to take that shot because when I decide to take that shot, the setup for me, I will require a larger stop loss, which is over my risk tolerance. Like my risk tolerance is like within 25 points stop loss. So that was like 40 points stop loss. I need to take that shot. It's summer holiday for students. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I forgot about like summer holiday. This kind of thing it's too far away from me. But I thought like even it's summertime, people usually get some internship or part-time job for it, isn't it? To build their resume. How long do you trade before quit your job? Here's the fun fact: when I quit my full-time job, I was not consistently profitable. Like I mean, I make some money, but like not consistently profitable. And then I quit my job. Yeah. I mean, I guess savings, but still, savings is savings. It's not active income or passive income. So I was so stressful when I first quit my full-time job because I need to pay up all the bills, right? Also, to pay the cost of trading with poor firms. Why you quit the job? Because I hate that job. Everyone hates that job, isn't it? I hate that job so much. And I hate the whole working environment. You mean what? The high? Just wait. Come on, hit the low, please. We've been waiting for you for 1 hour. Oh. Finally. Oh, good afternoon, Bella. How are you? I heard there's a huge drop in the Korean stock market. $9.35. Oh, where's that? This one? $9.35. Oh, yeah. Oh, so that is the reversal point you're expecting? Oh, come on, if you say something like that, I would like to take a long, which I've been waiting. I was expecting this decrease with first actually, but right now, yes, this with the low, so we are having bullish SMT at the moment. I'll wait a little bit. This job, this one is a very large obstacle here. Not valid yet. Yeah, I know. I saw your chat. I saw a message. Because we are too bearish right now, so I kind of don't want to catch the falling knife. Oh my god, I'm so boring right now, chat. I don't know, man. Well, if it stop me out, that means price going to Asia low. So if not, that may, consolidate a bit within this range and then go to the high. But I gotta admit, it's kind of a trade out of boredom because I'm just so bored. So this is a 25-point stop loss with 52 points TP. So did anyone get the special promotion for APAS? The $49 for the 50K intraday no activation fee account. I think they will last for 1 week. It will end on 21st July. So it's almost 1 to 2 weeks. Uh-oh, we're going to our stop. Close, very close. Right now, order block holding it. The 1 minute order block and a 30 seconds order block. Well, who knows if it's paying well or not, because we still got Asia low here. Yeah. But this is standard stop loss, so it's okay. It's not like if I'm risking too much. But I wish the RR is better, with only 1 to 2, which is not very ideal. But like, I don't get better target at the moment. It's so close. Low is so close. Yes, exactly. Because I was assuming this is the bullish SMT we're waiting for. Yes, exactly. There's equal highs above. I'm trading Aqua Futures. This account is Aqua Futures, the standard account type. 150K standard account. That's what waiting better than losing. On theory, yes. But to me, I would rather take the losses, because it's kind of controversial, but like, when you miss an entry, which you expected that trade to play out, and it did play out, but you just missed the entry because you're trying to be patient and wait for the best entry point. It kind of sucks. It kind of sucks, that feeling. Coming close to the stop. Close, so close. Let me zoom in. Zoom in to see the loss we took. Would you teach your child how to trade in the future? I don't want kids, babe. I don't want kids at all. I think it's because of the family that I grew up with. Like I got a big sister and big brother, so they all don't have kids. I think it tells something. It's not coincidence. We did feel something growing up with the family that make us don't want to have kids. I think it's a stop out. Although it's still 1 point left, but like it's gonna be stopped. Okay, it's out right now. So I'll need to wait for another setup. But definitely not taking short, so I gotta wait for another long with better RR this time. If we win this long, it will be so unpaid. Why? Yeah, you have to participate in the market sometimes. These are the costs for doing the business. So right now I'm still $2,000 until blow up. So let's see if we can blow up here on the stream. I mean, if I only left 1,000, that means nothing. Maybe I just blow up here. What do you think? Yes, yes. All right, I'm back. But I'm still confident that there's a long sale we're gonna play out. But I just need a valid entry point that I can enter with tight stop loss and high RR. So right now this is what I'm looking for. So if I blow up these free accounts, because this is Aqua Futures, my maximum funded accounts are free, and I bought these accounts with, how much is that? I need to take a look. Aqua Futures. So the real losses of these are 150K account. 150K standard. So okay, I was having 60% off for the Aqua Futures account, but because I buy the bundle 5 accounts at once, so I get extra 10% off. So for getting 5 accounts, the cost is 990 for 150K standard account. So each of them is 198, so it's around $200. So if I blow up this free, so it's gonna cost me around $600. So this is the loss I took if I blow up the free Aqua Futures funded account. And if I didn't blow up and I take a payout, it would be 3,000 on each, so it would be 9,000 minus the cost. So the amount I made will be 8,000. So after taking that payout, if I take, then I can blow up my current account and buy another bunch of accounts. So that will be the cost. Do a poll to find out the chat sentiments. That is completely useless. I can tell you, the sentiment is useless. It's just gonna affect your own bias, your own trading strategy. That is not useful at all. But I'm just curious, like, how do people that work with a full-time job right now, how can they watch live streams? Like, for example, some of you from Europe is like morning, right? From Asia is afternoon. So if you work in full-time job and watch this live stream, you can only living in North America. Asia low sweep. But the point is kind of suspicious. We still get a low here. This week didn't sweep it all. I mean, it's 1 point above this low, NYPM low, which I don't like it. Why you rush eval? Because my time is precious. And I can afford to lose those evals. But if you're the opposite, like you're a student, like you're so fucking young, you have decades, and you don't have enough money, you don't have income, any income, then you should do the opposite. So I'll always say that, like, the reason that everyone need a financial advisor because everyone got different financial condition, different target for their life. So you can't just copy someone else's perform strategy, perform game plan. You have to make your own plan. Oh, it's coming to the low. $4 a.m. open. Oh, it's still a half hour until 4 a.m. You want to wait for 4 a.m.? No way. You know, I post my trade syncer transaction yesterday on Twitter, saying that I got a big L day, and you know, I didn't expect this. A lot of people asking, do you get a mentorship? How can I get a mentorship from you on that post? That is something I didn't expect. Like, because I was posting losses, and still people keep on asking it. So, but that also proves that, you know, those people saying that I keep on posting PNL to attract people to buy courses, for me is completely trash, because even when I post losses, people will still want to buy courses from me. so that is completely trash. Daily time frame. Let me take a look. We got a huge candle here. So this high sweeps some Asia high. I don't know how long does it take to get another setup, seriously. Probably long time, probably an hour. Anyone understand why I keep taking long here instead of short? Do you know why? Cause I love to pay you. That's the best answer today. Because I love taking reversal. And I'm too late for short. I would say this one will be the last entry point if I want to take a short for the 2023 model. And after that, it will be in 50% of the range of the Asia range. So this one is the best. Of course, this is turtle shoot, but this is outside of London Q zone. So the second one will be here. So if you remember, I actually tried to measure a long setup here, right? But I didn't get in, and then suddenly we got a manipulation candles up here. That's why I want to try to long to here, which is wrong bias, completely wrong. But this is the short that I can take with the 2022 model, which I didn't. And after that, we drop back to the 50% of the range. So it's too late for me to short. I just skip the whole trade, short trade idea. Because if I want to get back to losses, to recover my losses or able to make profit on that account on that trading day, I need high RR. And with high RR, I can take a short in 50% of the range. So I can only wait for the reversal exist. But it's dropping so slow. I thought, short usually ends soon. Do you often took continue trade? Sometimes. Not very often. Depends on the purpose of that trade. Is that aiming to get back from losses or just a normal trade? Wow, I feel like I need to wait forever. Really need to wait. Wow. Probably we'll wait until 4 a.m. We just reach the 1 hour average here. We got another ratifical low here on yes. Wait for yes hitting this area. Yes, you're right. Oh, sorry, I'm just so boring right now. Uh, Do you have any hobbies? No, my only hobby is trading. I don't have any other hobbies. No, I'm just kidding. But to be honest, right now, like summer in Dubai, it's kind of hard to do any other things. Like you have to stay indoor. I don't like traveling. Because I like staying with routine. And traveling, you're gonna break your whole routine, everything. So I just don't like it. Today, no gym today. Tomorrow, I'll go to the gym. And this Monday is my first gym after a 1 month break. Wow, my hamstring. Crazy, like I feel like I destroy my hamstring. This is crazy. And obviously I can't lift the same weight. So I need to train again. Have you made friends with Dubai people? Actually, not many people here are locals. Like over 90% of the population here are expat. So most of the people I met here are from other countries. Oh, why this person come back? The end case called. What the fuck are you? Like, this person. So this person come back. I think I put you on timeout some day before, right? And you come back again. I really hate this. You, right? That's the attention you want, right? I guess that's why you come back. If this is the attention you want, I give you the attention. Let's see how price we at with the PM lows on yes. I'm trying to not banning too many people. I just time out them. So like the next day they can come back. Because sometimes haters can turn into supporters. And we got example like that, so I trying to not like permanently ban them. I give them another chance. Oh, we just hit the low here on ES. This is the MMXM, isn't it? Second chance is last chance. No, it's okay. I mean, like, just let them. Because if you realize most of the haters, not everyone, but like over 95% of them, someone that don't even have a profile picture. Like, it's not a human being on the profile picture. So they are staying anonymous to talk some shit online. So most of them just probably live a pathetic life in real life. That's why they want to, you know, put their negative emotions on others online. I guess. I don't know. Because if you like take a look on your friends, for example, if you use threads, you can see what people replies to others, right? Or Twitters. And if you see your friends replying others with all the hate speech, you kind of know what kind of person they are. Like, because like a original person won't do something like that. You may get some opinions about certain things or certain people, but you won't type it online just to trash people, right? Just to throw shade on people. Because I wouldn't do that. I don't know what others think. Oh, man. It's 4 a.m. candlestick right now, this one. So we're just inverse the bearish FEG and we got a BC here. But it doesn't mean we not going to go lower, because for ES only I think 1 to 2 points. Not even 1 point. It's just 2 ticks. Sweep the low with 2 ticks. Yes, people show hate to others instead of doing something better, if you like. So sometimes when I scroll the social media, it's all hate comments. It's not my post, it's other people's posts. For example, they're sharing the live, maybe just a snapshot of their OOTD, things like that. And then, you know, the comments are all hate speech from strangers. I was like, what happened? What happened? Bro, trying to catch the low is very, very difficult, to be honest. Which most of the time we shouldn't do that. But I think today I will have no choice to do that, but have to do that, like to catch the low, to catch the bottom. So hard, it's so hard to catch the bottom, I gotta say. We are on M what right now, really? Which M what it is? I got 5, but still, I don't want to put 20 M what's on my chart. Because I know right now I'm trying to find a setup that catch the bottom, so I will need a lot of confirmation. Because the bearish move can continue for 1 more hour or even longer, maybe before the new session. So I will have to wait for a long time. You broke your Apex account trying to catch a low. Sad to hear that. But it's okay, everyone broke up accounts. Like literally everyone. I've never heard any traders, like prop firm traders, that have never broke any accounts. Everyone broke a lot. I'm really sleepy right now. You broke accounts holding on to losing chase, hoping price will reverse. But you have a stop loss, right? Did you set your stop loss? I mean, you can holding on to your losing chase if you have a proper stop loss. Just let it hit your stop, but don't like just cancel the stop loss order. Trust me, I've done that before. Like when I was trading my personal account, which is like before I learned ICT concept. So I don't even know how to trade. I know nothing about trading. At that time, I kind of like trying to cancel my stop loss order and just let the trade pay out, which make me lose a lot of money. It was like 2020 or 2021. Man, how long does it take? Seriously. We got a 15 minutes gap here. But to be honest, if we get to this area, I would say it's suspicious if price don't go down here to the low, daily low. It's so close, right? It's around 100 points to this low. You will short to that gap. No, I'll skip the short. No, it's kind of too discount for me to take a short. This PAC is untradeable. Just wait for it. Trade C is done. So someone said trade C is done. So whoever using it probably have to skip trading for a while. But why would you guys use trade C? Why didn't you choose linear trader or trader V? I'm kind of curious. Is trade C good? Is price moving slow? It's not really slow, right? We actually move over 100 points in this London session, so it's actually not that slow. You trade on map. So right now both Ninja Trader and TraderA got the web page. So even if you trade on Ninja Trader, you don't have to use the software. So if you're using MacBook, it's okay to trade with Ninja Trader. Man, this bearish move is gonna take forever. I hope I would get something before 5. I am looking for longs, but not right now because, like, I mean, this is higher time frame bearish. I can't take long here, but like I will wait for that setup. But I did saw some live streamers trade without stop loss. I think it's Tradeify TV. I think it's Tradeify. That was like, maybe next time I should live stream like that. Then my trades can last forever. Because without stop loss, you know, that trade can retrace, I don't know, over 100 points and it won't hurt me. Did I end up hiring video editor? So the problem is like, so I've been working as an employee before too. So I know when people, it's not about the working ability, but the passion. So that person just treat it as, okay, I just finished that task, or do I want to make it, like, do I make it work? Did they do their best? So it's like, so I found an editor. So I told him to edit this shit out. And then after 2 days, he asked me, oh, he can't download the file. After 2 days. I was like, so what the hell are you doing for that 2 days? And then they replied me like, okay, I can finish the video editing in like 2 hours. So you can finish that video in 2 hours, but you didn't download that video for 2 days and just let me wait for it. So I was like, that kind of person suck. The worst employees ever in the world. I mean, even me, I won't work like that before. So unless I found someone that are really willing to work with passion, then no. Because I want to, if I want to work with someone, I want to work it with long term, not just a temporary for a few videos. So I want to find someone that we can work for long term. So I gotta be cautious. What sort of editing? Both long form and short form. I mean, we can separate it into 2 person, but like either one is good. You want to edit a video? Okay, you can edit any of my live stream and send us a sample. Well, at this moment, I didn't even see anything. So where you shot from here to the 15 minutes gap. But like, I wouldn't trade like that because I don't want to short in this current. But I can understand why you want to take a shot there, because that is very obvious internal liquidity, but just it's kind of violating my own rules, so I just kind of skip all the shots. I usually don't take long when we are above 50% of the range, and don't take short when we are below 50% of the range. You can create a Dear Ramis, you can create a support ticket and talk to our support. Why didn't we take a bearish bias? You can take a bearish bias. Why not? You can, of course you can. So my goal here is to get back from losses and make profit for today. And taking short won't help. I probably have a W trade, but it's not helping, or it's not helping at all. I'm not gonna make it bad or not. Then that's meaningless. What am I gonna do? Yes, I want to go for long position, but I need more confirmation first. Because I got 2 chances left to try to catch the reversal. Well, I gotta say, if I trade a personal account, it's gotta be different. I mean, because for personal account, I don't have to get back from losses. I can just turn off the chart and wait for the next day. I mean, like, I don't need consistency rule. I don't need to wait for like 5 valid profitable trading days to get a payout. And I don't have like drawdown limit. I mean, I have drawdown limit, like my whole account capital, but it won't be like a few $1,000. So trading platforms are very different than trading the personal account. Let me take a look on here. So ES 1 hour average here. 15 minutes. You got another 15 minutes gap here. No, I'll stay here. Stop loss too tight. Just stay with the midpoint here. It's too tight, but if I hit this, that means that is invalid. But it's a bit tight. But no, I mean, I got low choices. Let me take a look. It's kind of risky to put a stop loss here. I need to admit that. Mentally long. Yes, that's a good idea. because I'm here trying to catch the bottom, which is a no probability trade and very high risk. So I don't recommend anyone to do that, to try to catch the bottom. We're still staying inside 1 hour average here at the moment. I'll trail it under this low right now because actually we're up a lot. So if price just dip a wick here into this BC and go up or even go lower, it will gonna hit my stop loss that I put in the midpoint anyway. So I just trail it 5 points. So right now I'm risking 20 points for the stop loss. Properly catch the falling knife. Take profit. Where do you want to take profit? Here? This one? It's very hard to try to catch the bottom. So hard. But if you catch it successfully, the profit will be great. Well, if this one got stopped out, I would say the move that I've been waiting probably happened after 5. Because we've seen that before, right? After the kill zone, it happens. But I'll see what happened at that time. Tracy is done, so don't trade on Tracy. Now, don't do it. Wow, so hot here. It's 41 degrees here. No, 42. It's 42 now. Not looking good at the moment. Keep on retracing. Probably a loss. We'll see if this small order block. Also on 30 seconds, can hold it. If not, then I'll stop out. Let me... Yeah, we still got some 15 seconds gap. BC. But I feel like I'm gonna do the same thing after, even when I'm not live streaming. Like just sitting here waiting for price to reverse. But I probably will do something else when I'm waiting for price, not just staring at the chart. Seems like the energy drink isn't working. I think coffee is not working too with this price session. Chat. I'm so boring. Maybe I should just move to North America and stream New York session, right? I mean, London session is just so slow. Move to Florida. I got families in LA, but the LA time zone sucks for trading, so it's useless. And the tax rate there is just too high. But I don't know anyone in Florida. Maybe I will move to Toronto, who knows? Like my best friend moved to Toronto. And I also got from some families living in Canada. Canada is shit. Why? Why? Oh yeah, I heard that. Like, US gonna adapt the summertime schedule forever. Like, so there will be no more daylight saving time shift, right? Is that true? Any US traders can verify that? I saw the news. Everything in Canada, but so actually my brother-in-law is from Canada. So my sister was studying abroad in Canada, and then she met, my brother-in-law there in Canada. And then they moved back to Hong Kong because my sister said Canada sucks. Okay, so the whole daylight saving time shift thing is just a proposal. It's not official yet. Okay. Well, as soon as you cross the border, they got way less friendly. Why TP at here? Actually, I want to TP at here. This high. But I'm just feel like, am I gonna be like too aggressive? But if I TP here, it's just kind of. So I'm just greedy. So your question is, am I being too aggressive or too conservative? Here? Maybe I left one contract. Because if I TP here, I can make up the losses and make some profit. But like not a very ideal point. Yeah, often I'll just left with here. So your TP is like here, right? This. Money back. Everyone tell me to put the money back. But it's not working. Yesterday I tried it. It's not working. Shit. I calculate. I just make the calculation. If I put it here, if I put both my two contracts here, I'll be over the consistency rule. So I may, if I had to put it here, maybe I have to split it in take parcel 1, TP2 then. In that case, I will just close it here. I just want to make sure I, get back with positive balance, I think. Because I faded you. Yes. But you know what? Sometimes I would think I'm just too stubborn, right? But because I'm stubborn, that's why I'm a trader. If I'm not stubborn, then I would give up as a trader. I wouldn't make it till today. Because everyone tell me to stop trading. But they're doing it for my own good. I know it. They just don't want me to get hurt. I understand that. I want to trail my stop loss. Let me take a look. Yeah, I think I will try it. So I try to here, below here. Yes, I want to make sure even if I got stopped, I still get some buffer left to take another trade. Yes, it's strong. Yes, right now, inside a 5-minute CB here. As a trader, you need to be flexible. Yeah, you're right. Trading is hard, huh? Trading is real hard. Especially with this market. Take password, chat. Take password. I'm gonna try to break even soon. Oh, the Aramis just passed 2 eval. Congratulations. My trading style is too much discipline. What? Like, I'm everything opposite. I don't see any discipline today, to be honest. I feel like I'm lack of discipline. There's still lots of room to improve. Anyone try skydiving here in the chat? Because I was planning to, because we got a Dubai skydiving here. So I was planning maybe I should take it after the summer because right now it's too hot. So maybe do it in autumn. Although we don't have autumn here in Dubai. But yeah, that would be the autumn. But am I too old for skydiving? Like, I don't know. Because if you're too old, you probably die with heart attack, isn't it? Because this is like kind of X game. Oh, we got a licensed skydiver here. Whoa! Whoa! My God, the chat is crazy. The chat is so professional here. Am I too old for sky? I mean it. So I feel like you got to have some like requirement to do skydiving. Well, I checked their official website. There's only criteria for BMI, which I'm within the standard. But like any other thing, I need to be cautious. Skydiving? What the fuck, Ollie? Don't curse me. Don't curse me. We got some Chennai sales right here with this you see it here. So I want to see if this BC and order block can hold the price. I will trail my stop loss to break even right now. Yeah, here. So it's risk-free trade. I mean, I didn't take partial, so at least I want to make sure I'm not losing anything on this trade. Stream trading while scout, that's impossible. Yeah, I saw that, Daniel Trader. So that is like bungee jump, right? Bungee jump is a lot scarier than skydiving, I feel like. Because you're gonna bounce. When you drop, you will bounce in the top again and then drop again. How are you? I mean, 30s. Oh, looks like this BC can't hold. Come on. I probably can't hold. Not good idea though. Uh-oh. Coming down. So if I get break even, that means my account balance didn't change. So I will still get enough buffer to take another try. You move your stop loss too high. Then we will see it as take partial, right? A trailing stop loss can use as take partial too. I heard that when you're doing skydiving, you can open your mouth or smile, because once you open your mouth, you can close it because the wind is like too strong, and your face will like your facial expression will like looks like disaster. But because you are filming videos, like that company will film a video for you, so it will look very ugly in the video if you open your mouth. New thumbnail. Oh, Greenway is going out. Okay, I will see you tomorrow here. So we got a like licensed skydiver here. Did anyone die when you skydive? I mean it. I know sometimes there can be like accidents. See you, Queen Ray. Because I feel like I'm gonna die before 40s, so I better do everything I want before I die. So I was like, okay, let's do it. I always wanted to do like bungee jump and skydiving. So I want to make sure my bucket list, I can finish my 90% bucket list before I die. Oh, accidents do happen when landing. Yeah, I heard Someone may hurt their knees or necks or foot when they're landing. So we're inside a bearish FVG here and a VI. Take partial, chat, take partial. Yes, looking good. So right now the worst case scenario for this trade will be break even. So I don't lose anything, but I also don't make anything. Then I will need to find another chance to get back from losses. I mean, enjoy your experience. I think I will enjoy it. I like it. I want to do it for a long time. I actually want to do it last year, but like the booking is full. The booking is full. So many people doing that. And you know, right now we got war in the Middle East, so we got less tours. So I think I can book it. So chat, everyone, take profit, take your parcel, please. I mean, I can go back to break even. I don't want to though, but I don't want you guys go back to break even. So please take parcel. In Thailand, is it safe in Thailand? I'm so sorry. Because I just saw a fire, a serious fire in Thailand, in Bangkok. I feel like it's not very safe there. Yeah, we just sweep some buy side here, this high and this high. And we gotta work from the high of this gap. We'll see if price can hold. Yeah, it's drawn from the palm. Great, that was great. So I can finally post some content for my Instagram, right? I'm trying to make something for IG, but like seriously, my life is so boring. I don't even know what to post. But for real, even for my personal IG, I don't post anything. Because I thought no one wants to see. But then like one day I post a story, I think after 1 year. And then I just got like tons of message from my friends asking like, are you okay? Like what's going on? Because usually I don't post anything on IG. So they're worried when I post something. Vlogs on live and saying Dubai. You guys want lifestyle videos? Really? You notice myself working from 4 a.m.? Maybe I should just start the stream at 4 or maybe 3. Right? So what's the point of starting the stream at 2? Come on, Ollie, is Ollie here? Do you remember, the London yen, we used to start trading at 2, right? I think we remember the wrong way, right? We used to start trading at 2. How come suddenly every setup only appear at 4? Yes, right? I didn't make it up, right? So everyone's trading at 2. Yes, the move was early, like 1%. Yes, exactly. Today, the turtle soup, the wick that swept the Asia high and then got a turtle soup energy, that is like before 2 a.m. That sucks. Asia open as been. Yeah, I think after they changed the T+2 to T+1, and then like everything changed. No more Asia range, no more 2 a.m. move. I think it changed after that. Lately, 4 a.m. is best. Yeah, you're right. Many changes coming. Guess we have to adapt to wherever the market condition is. End of month and August. I don't know if I should like live stream for August because like we already know that it's gonna be a trash PA in August. That we shouldn't trade as much as we used to. We should reduce risk, everything. So what's the point on live streaming? So chat, if you enjoyed today's stream or you got some profit on this trade, don't forget to subscribe and like the chat, like the YouTube channel. Thank you. Oh yeah, there will be single stock futures for which stock? Or the stock? Or only SpaceX? Oh, a lot of stocks. Oh my god, that's not a good idea. And most of those stocks listed on last that. Giveaway. I wanted to give away, but come on, let me finish this trade first. Like no matter it's a break even or I hope it's not. But hope is useless when we are trading. Yeah. And just one more thing, always be polite to our support. You can get your giveaway prize in 1 day, but because you're rude to our support, you may have to wait for 1 week or 2 weeks. So if you want to get it faster, be polite. We're consolidating here. Have you ever tried to, like, when you're in a trade and that trade cover all your losses and you're green again, but you didn't take profit, so the trade get back to your break even and you stay red? Have you ever tried it? I tried it so many times, and and this is the reason that I just put my stop loss to break even. I didn't trail my stop loss, didn't take partial on the way. Oh, one for Gordonson made 2.8K across accounts. Congrats. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, chat, party, man, lovely chat. Holy crap. Let you see. Bro, that is not easy. So this is it. I recover from losses. I make around 1200. Whoa. That's a tough day. Today's a tough day. Real tough. W, oh, yeah, please. I really need W in the chat right now. Today is a tough day. Plus, yesterday is a tough day too. Real tough. Whoa. Not easy. I'll show you the trade seller. Wait a moment. Let me import the data first. Not easy. Trading is hard. For real, trading is so hard, chat. You see how hard it is? So hard. Yeah. Deserve a like button, right? Please click the like if you like it. It's not easy. Trading's so hard, baby. So fucking hard. Yeah, so right now this is the Aqua Futures account. my trade seller score sucks. It used to be 80 or 75. Right now it's 53. And win rate sucks too because I have to get back to 40%, like my usual win rate, and I'm not inside the range yet, so it sucks. So yesterday I made like 3,600 losses. Today I make it back with 1,200 only. The goal for today is actually 2,000, but like I make 2 losses, right? 3 trades, 1,000 loss, 1,000 loss, 3,300. Yep. So I don't want to be too aggressive for my last trade. I'm trying to at least get back to positive account balance for today. So I didn't aim for 2,000, not anymore. You see how many losing trades I took? This, 1, 2, 3. But I think some of them are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 losing streak. Sucks. Chat. Real sucks. After 6 losing streak, I got the win finally. Wow, so hard, baby. Yeah. So right now the goal for tomorrow, I will say like I think I can take the payout this week because I need 2,200 more to get to payout. But if I make that amount on tomorrow, that will be over the 40% consistency rule. So I will probably split it into 2 days if I can, like probably a losing day, I don't know. But like I will split it into 2 days in order to try to make like a lot on one day. But yeah, if I trade personal account that is like without consistency rule, I will trade differently and different position size. But with this Aqua Future standard account, that is what I'm trying to do. The game plan is that. Exhausted, yes. It's real exhausted. But just so you know, that is real trading. Losing streak happens. And yeah. Not that bad, right? Not that bad. Yeah. Any other? They will. Yes, as usual. So just like Thursday and Friday last week, making losses, get it back to green, can get it back again. Low losses. So yep. Reports. Average they win. Longest trade 1 hour 15 minutes. Yeah, so all data's here. Well, I actually love it because like you know yourself better, you know your strategy better. Oh, okay. So what is this? I don't really know what that is. Oh, the trade duration. Okay. So that means I cut my losses early. That is good. That's good. I shouldn't hold my losing trades too long. So this is good. So if you want to use this platform, you can go to TradeSeller, and with my code Candy, you got 20% off. This platform don't only get the like trading journal function, only also get backtesting and trade repay function. So for example, today, what is that? Oh, biology chase. I can choose the free chase and let it pay. I really love this function because I want to know like what exactly did I trade. I can see everything here. Like I'm crazy trying to chase a long position, which is the position that I should get to short, which I take a long here. So I can see everything. What have I done wrong? How stupid I was. Things like that. So I love it. Yep. And of course we got giveaway, right? Since I finally got my W after I don't know six losing streak. I finally got my W. Let's do a giveaway. What do you think, chat? Have you get payout from Aqua Futures? No. I just trade with them since last week or 2 weeks ago. I don't really remember. I just started this day. I will let you know if I get a payout. I mean, after all, this is my first time to trade with them too, so I want to know like what is their payout process. Are they paying out? But I mean, I know they are paying out, but like they have to pay me first. Right? I need to get the money first. And how long does it take? You know, is it easy to get your payout? Things like that. When do you trade? What do you mean? So I start the stream at 2 a.m. Eastern time here on YouTube every day. You can sync your account with TraderWay, or you can download your report and then import it. Because sometimes they got some error with the auto sync, but you can try it first. I don't know if it's my problem or I got something wrong with the instructions. It's not easy, chat. Trading is so hard. So, giveaway time again. So today I'm giving out Lucid 50k flags. Okay, I just posted the link. So today's giveaway is sponsored by Lucid Trading. They get Pro, Flex, and Direct account, which is the instant funding one. So for Lucid Pro, a 50k account with Coke Candy, you will only have to pay $100, around $100 for it. But they have DLL, daily loss limit, and 40% consistency rule for funded account. But I think they are doing a special promotion, so right now the Pro accounts, they cancel the DLL. But after I think 24th of July, the DLL will be back. So if you want to trade Pro account without DLL, right now is the time to get some. And for the Flex account, they don't have any DLL. Yeah. Also, they don't have consistency rule in funded accounts. And direct accounts are instant funding, so you need 20% consistency rule, but you don't have to pass any evaluation. So when you buy the account, it's funded already. Okay, but they also get DLL, which is a scale DLL. So when you increase your account balance, your DLL will increase too, but it's more pricey than other evals. To enter the giveaway, you have to like this stream and join my Discord, which I just posted the link here in the chat and also in the info box. And then go to the giveaway channel, then you can join it. The link is working, I guess. So I want to see if price gonna go up to this high. because this is like raise our queen raise TP, right? But if I'm not in 2 losses, like I probably will hold it into here, but like I just want to cover my losses first. Like I got mental loss actually, not just the capital. I got mental loss from losing streaks, so I need to cover it first. Yeah, today we will do the duck race again. Your favorite duck race. And everyone can only enter with 1 entry for the giveaway. So if you enter more than 1, you will get disqualified. So be careful. Is Ray a queen? Obviously, she is. I mean, she's professional. She's graduated from Cambridge. Like, okay, you know, anyone graduate from Cambridge, I got huge respect to them. Okay. All right. I will wait a little bit for everyone to get in the giveaway first. Thank you, Calvin. Don't spam the chat though. Thank you so much. She was a she. I mean, I call her queen for a reason. We got female traders here, okay? Not everyone in the chat are male traders. Yeah, WHA, finally. So hard. But the good thing is I think I learned from my mistake. I kind of understand why I take so many losses these 2 days. Well, first I'm married to my bias. Second, I'm not patient enough. I always say patience, but I didn't do it. I didn't do it at all. I didn't wait for the confirmation signal. I didn't wait for the valid IFVG. Yeah. Don't FOMO, but I always FOMO. Yes, don't FOMO, but I always FOMO. You're right. That's funny. I'm a human being. That means. But that is exactly what I do even off stream. Like losing streaks and then probably get it back. I do it so many times. But it feels so different when you're on stream, right? Your crunchy isn't included, and that means you on the restricted country list from Lucid, because this is like completely customized with the Lucid country list. Janice, thank you. I hope everyone in the chat make money today. And if you take some trades today or take this trade, please post your chat in Discord. I would love to see like who makes money with this trade. Or maybe on the way, take parcel, or are you still with a runner? Would love to see it. Will you also give away Tradifies? No. Chat, because obviously I'm not making money on Tradify affiliate sales. I make nothing. I'm just be honest. That's why I can't ask for giveaway. They're not sponsoring me because I don't make any sales. It's true. I always say that. No one believe me. Just haters always think I make, I don't know, like 300k Hong Kong dollars on like affiliate commission. This is insane. Yes. Because if you realize I don't promote much, I don't post a lot on social media, right? And even for like platform promotion, I didn't do much on social media. I only do it inside the Discord group. So I actually didn't promote much. I didn't even promote myself. Haters do it for me. They promote me. How to adjust your sum tie during pullback within the WJ? I just trail my stop loss and put it to break even. Like, but before entering the trade, I will assume that it's a losing trade first. One thing is like it will lower your expectation of a winning trade, and second is you can control your risk. Because when you enter a trade with like 100% guarantee that I'm gonna win, then you probably risk too much or got a large position size. And when you're wrong, you're probably very frustrated because you thought you're right. But based on my FH win rate, which is my usual FH win rate 40%, most of the time I'm wrong. Over 50% of the time I'm wrong. So I better expect a losing trade for every trade. So is everyone finished entering the giveaway? Because I'm about to close it if everyone finish it. You still holding it? Okay. Good luck. I hope you at least take some puzzle. I know I only take mental puzzle, but I hope you guys can take like physical, digital puzzle. I'm searching for duck race. Wait a moment, please. Okay. So I will hide myself first. Duck race. Yeah, the duck race. You guys ready? Let's see who's the winner today. Start. Well, Ollie. Well. I didn't cheat. Ollie, Serena, are you still here? I think, but I feel like he's off. I don't know if he's still here. I didn't do anything. I didn't cheat. Congrats. Just DM me and I'll give you the code. That's fun. No. Just create a supported cat. Create support. I think I would like the support to do it. Yeah. Oh, so great. Yeah, we will still get giveaway tomorrow and next week. If I didn't get losing trades, okay. First thing first. I mean, if I get losing trade, I can still give away, but I have to make sure I'm in a good mood first. If I upset or frustrated, no giveaway. And thank you everyone for tuning in this this stream today, and thank you for tolerate me for not taking short and insist of taking long with this high time frame bearish environment. For real. I mean, even me, right now I look back, it's kind of crazy to try to insist on taking long with this move. So yeah, thank you everyone tolerate me for doing kind of insane things here. And I hope you all make some money today. And it would be great if you can show me your charts in Discord. Would love to see you guys win. And tomorrow, I think there's no high impact news tomorrow, right? So I guess no. So yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow at 2 a.m. Eastern Time again here on my YouTube channel. Thank you. For real. I really appreciate your time. I know you guys, your time is so precious. So thank you for staying with me. Goodbye tomorrow. See you tomorrow.